Meet Eddie, a resilient and ambitious brother from Botswana. He runs a motorbike courier business that once thrived, but was now teetering on the edge of collapse. In mid-November 2011, things were particularly grim for Eddie. Out of his fleet of 13 motorbikes, 5 were unserviceable due to parts issues. The remaining 8 bikes struggled to bring in enough cash flow to sustain the business. Desperate for help, Eddie came across my testimony online about how God restored me to work after 6 years of unemployment through first fruits offerings. Inspired by what he read, he reached out to me for advice. I reassured him that with God, all things are possible, and encouraged him to vow profits from his best motorbike as a first fruits offering. It wasn't an easy decision, but Eddie decided to take the leap of faith. On November 22nd, we prayed together online over a bottle of water, believing it would bring blessings upon his bikes by faith. Just 3 days later, on November 25th, Eddie emailed back with astonishing news. All 5 broken-down motorbikes were miraculously operational again. This defied all expectations and showcased the power of faith and the principle of first fruits offerings. You don't need money up front. Just make your vow and step out in faith. Download our free ebook today and learn how these offerings can open doors for blessing.